This is Dana Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2021 Gold Rush Autograph Authentic full-size helmet 1-box eBay break. May 25th, 2021. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. Pit P Red with the Seahawks and Chargers. ABK _ trading _ cards. Vikings, Buccaneers. CHCHA 1749-N. GRNAKA 49ers, Titans. Rojo-8248 with the Ravens, Bears, Packers, Raiders, and Redskins. NBLUHVNJOHN316 Lions, Falcons, Texans, Colts, Dolphins. Focadope with Cardinals and Steelers. WASEX _ 27 Eagles. Carso Struve -0 with the Jets. TONSTEADMA -0 with the Giants. Jonathan -0 with the Saints. R Breyer 88 with the Patriots. Boston John with the Rams. KIELE 808 with the Chiefs. SCCON _ 1233 with the Jaguars. Big Dog 808 with the Broncos. Pit P Red Panthers, Bengals. Jonathan -0 Cowboys. JJXEX 6-half, hopefully I said that right, Browns. 2Bear 68 with the Bills. And that is your full lineup. Okay, here is your 1-box 2021 Gold Rush Authentic full-size helmet. These are really nice helmets, very heavy, being authentic. They're really, really nice. Okay, here we go. All right, good luck, everybody. Coming at you front and center, and we've got the Rams, and that is Cam Akers. Beautiful Rams Cam Akers autographed full-size helmet. Authentic, by the way. So nice and heavy. Gorgeous helmets. Beautiful. The Rams. And Rams owned by Boston John. Congrats. Gorgeous Cam Akers autograph. Authentic full-size helmet. The Rams. Guys, I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions. Cardboardhobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay. Once again, back at it again tomorrow night. Really nice lineup of breaks scheduled all week long, so please don't miss out on those, guys. I want to thank you guys so much again for your support. Please be smart, be safe out there.